So I want to talk a minute about how to use the MEdelman lever press for stamping letters and numbers. I'm going to be using just the standard 1/8 inch Harbor Freight letter set right here. They fit right into the tool hole here. You could use bigger letters and bigger stamps, but I think 1/8 inch is probably the biggest that will fit into the 3/8 inch tool hole. I'm going to be using the red handle for this. You can use the blue or the yellow. The yellow might be a little bit trickier on this just because it doesn't have enough of a length of stroke to give you more than 1/16 of an inch. But the red seems to be perfect. You don't have to use a ton of force to do this, and you just have to shim it correctly so that you are at the correct height. And then you stick that under there. Oops, get it how you want it. And I'm just going to give it a nice medium press. You don't want to push it too hard because really this doesn't take a ton of force to put the letter in. And there you go. That is how you use this press to stamp letters and numbers.